Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 13th September 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, first of all, have this concern: I, a soul, am covered in rust, and I have to think how to remove that rust from the soul. For as long as the needle is rusty, the magnet will not be able to attract it. Question: what effort do you children have to make at this most elevated confluence age in order to become the most elevated human beings? Answer: the effort to become karmatit. Your intellects should not be pulled by any karmic relationships. This means that no karmic bondage should pull you. Your total connection should be with the One Father. Your hearts should not be attached to anyone. Make such effort. Don't waste your time gossiping. Practice staying in remembrance. Song is: Awaken, O brides! Awaken! The new age is about to come. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Just as the Father, in the form of the teacher, teaches you and has mercy for everyone, in the same way, have mercy for yourself and others. Pay full attention to studying and following Srimad. Reform your character. Number 2. Don't break your intellect's yoga away from the Father by gossiping among yourselves about useless, rotten things of the past. Do not perform any sinful acts. Stay in remembrance and remove the rust. Blessing for today. May you have the determination to cultivate fruit on infertile land and become an embodiment of success. Details are: in any situation, in order to become embodiments of success, you need to have a gathering of determination and love. This determination enables fruit to be cultivated on infertile land. Just as scientists try to grow fruit in sand, in the same way, you give the water of love with your power of silence and become fruitful. By having determination, you can ignite the lamp of hope in those who are disheartened, because when you have courage, you receive the Father's help. Slogan is: constantly continue to move along while considering yourself to be God's valuable property, and there will be spirituality in your actions. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Now ignite the fire of love and make your yoga volcanic. To be a charioteer means to be soul conscious, because each soul is a charioteer. Brahma Baba became number 1 by practicing this and achieving success. Therefore, follow the Father. The Father enters a body and controls it, that is, he becomes the charioteer. He doesn't depend on the body, and this is why he remains loving and detached. In the same way, all of you Brahman souls should maintain the stage of a charioteer like the Father. When you are the charioteer of your body, you naturally become a detached observer and remain immune to any effect of Maya in whatever you do, see or hear.